All right, hello guys. This is your Dreaded Crypto channel coming at you. It's January 1st, 2022. Works out. All right, so we made it through the New Year's, and Bitcoin is doing not a whole lot. Pretty much trading sideways. It's kind of going up and down, trying to get the fear and the leverage out of the market is my guess. Kind of like back what I was talking about before, we're like riding on this trend line that was holding us down as its previous resistance, and let's hope that this red line becomes support. This is on the hourly. Let's go on the 4 hour. I think we might get one more downturn test on it. Just the way looking at the RSI, the hourly RSI is kind of peaked, as you can tell right here. The 4 hour also is kind of oversold, unfortunately. But the daily and the weekly RSIs are really low, so there's plenty of room to make this next bull run up, hopefully into spring. But there's a chance maybe we go more sideways, maybe go a little bit longer. Hoping not. I'm ready. I'm ready for January to see some nice green. We've suffered a lot the last month and a half, 2 months. Really, this whole year is nothing but consolidation. Bitcoin, it started around 30,000 and we ended at 47. I mean, it's a nice gain, but I mean, year to year, that's I started really accumulating Bitcoin. Well, I started in 2017, and I was accumulating through the whole bear market. My probably average is 6,000. So that's a 10x almost from the 60,000. So that's what those are real gains right there. This has been a year of just consolidation. I think it's been more of a year of fundamental and infrastructure building on the whole crypto market. A lot of people know what it is. They're getting familiar with the digital assets. You have crypto.com, you have Coinbase. Like, there's just been a lot of building this year. There's a lot of foundational building. So I think hopefully we'll use that as a springboard to get everyone else on board in the next a few months, 6 months. But yeah, I think hopefully this consolidation is done. Just hoping. Just judging from the sentiment and chart analysis and just the amount of time we've been down here. But like I said, we might have one more touch come down. Maybe we get one more spike down, just to kind of wipe everyone out real quick. Rather not that happen. And we're getting some decent price movement even with the low volume this weekend. So tomorrow and then into the week, the new year, I think the institutions will start coming back in. Everyone was unloading for tax reasons, including the institutions. People were taking profits, trying to get their portfolios to look good, and doing the tax what is it? Harvesting or whatever, tax loss harvesting, wash trading, they call it. But yeah, just looking at the crypto fear and greed index. I mean, we're back at 22 as of yesterday. That's so low. I mean, just looking at how long we were down here before. I just think this consolidation within the fear and greed, I think we're about done. Like I said, we might get one more jolt down. It doesn't really matter at this point. I don't think we're in a bear market, mainly because of the total market cap. Again, I keep on harping on this. Total market cap is kind of hovering above the 21-week moving average. And, being that Bitcoin is only 40% of the total market cap, if it was 60% and we were, I think I would take more consideration if Bitcoin was underneath the 21-week moving average. But being that's 40%, not 60 or 70%, we have to look at the total market cap. I mean, that's what we're really kind of gearing to look at. I mean, this whole thing is cryptocurrency and the digital assets space is bigger than just Bitcoin, much bigger. And so if we'll zoom in, 21-week moving average is pretty much what bull runs use as support. So take a look. We bounced up and we kind of came down, touched it. This is the Bitcoin. This is it excluding Bitcoin. Here's the one with. So we're kind of battling with it on this one. So we'll see. I just like, you know, looking at the RSIs, I just think we're like quite oversold, and that's kind of what I'm really looking at. And here, I wanted to look at the VPVR one more time, and hopefully we're actually kind of above one of the heavier lines of VPVR support, which it was at 47.5. Yeah, there is one. Yeah, we're kind of battling with it right now. 48.7. Let's get down a little further on it. Give us a better view. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, ideally we would like to get above the 47, 48K. It's changing up a little bit. Yeah, we're kind of right above it. You know, I think if we maintain this momentum going up, we don't want to be below this VPVR because the more higher chance that we fall down. Let's look at the daily. Change this up a second. I need to refresh my computer. You know, I think the bigger support on the daily was, we're like hovering right in the middle, 47.5 on the daily, and we're right above on the 4-hourly. So, you know, we're right there. We just got one good green candle. We're good. So maybe tomorrow that'll happen, and this week. Let's hope. Anyway, I just wanted to check in. Things don't look too terrible. It's just low volume. See what happens tomorrow. You know, I think I'd be just accumulating right now, maybe looking for some good altcoin buys. All the mining stocks are still low, still a good buy. So best of luck, and catch you on the flip.